is the retail downturn directly related to online shopping? I know we covered this before. Or why, in your opinion, Finance Guru, are our big USA retailers, other than Walmart, failing at this point?
I do believe that online shopping is having an impact, and I think it's going to continue to have an impact. This year, 2017, Amazon is going to overtake Macy's as the number one apparel retailer. So that really says a lot. I mean, Macy's has been in business a very, very long time. Amazon, nowhere near as long, and already they're going to overtake them. Now, that's a trend that we're really going to have to pay attention to. And what is Amazon about? Amazon is about fast delivery. It's about convenience. It's about low pricing. And they are delivering in those three areas, and they're doing it well. So there's no question that the Amazon model has to be dealt with. When you think about what's happening in terms of sales, whether it's related to e-commerce or the traditional brick and mortar, right now, e-commerce sales make up about $294 billion. The traditional brick and mortar retail sales number is $4 trillion. So clearly, you still have that brick and mortar retail sales number dwarfing e-commerce sales. But I think that trend is changing very, very quickly. Now, when we look, if we back off of that and we look at Walmart and why Walmart is continuing to have success, because they are dominating the retail markets and they're continuing to expand. Well, that's because Walmart, as far as the traditional retail sales goes, has the ability to buy cheap and sell cheap. So they get to stay really, really competitive, and they're using a model which is extremely effective. They're going into different areas of retail, even going into the food business now and supermarkets. So they're really having a huge impact across the board. But with that said, Walmart wants to now compete against Amazon. So what are they doing? They are making strategic online acquisitions. They've recently bought MindCloth, they bought Moose Jaw, they bought ShoeBuy, and about 6 months ago they bought Jet.com. And what they're saying is they are going to continue to do strategic acquisitions to be able to compete. And I'm sure their goal is to ultimately overtake Amazon in that market. And what's interesting is it's working because Walmart's U.S. e-commerce is up 29% over last year on a quarter-by-quarter basis. So their model's working. So I think that the traditional retail stores that you've mentioned, Macy's and so on, they are really, really going to be challenged, and I anticipate we're going to see more stores closing, and I think that we are going to see the online shopping, quite frankly, dominate retail sales across the board. We even see it in supermarkets. People are ordering online, and they're going to pick it up or have the food delivered. That's the trend.